Welcome to this 5-minute demo of CallUpgrade AI, your conversational AI voice agent that helps you with lead qualification, support calls, and policy-related information. In this session, we'll show you how our AI voice platform instantly engages with a travel insurance lead, qualifies them through conversation, and syncs structured data into the CRM and communicates the necessary policy details with the customer. To start off with, let me show you the assistant screen. So this is where you configure your assistant, and the use cases can be both for outbound and inbound. So I select inbound. You can select the phone number. You can choose multiple languages. I've chosen English, Hindi, and Tamil. You can choose various voice options depending on the accent and the support that you require. There is also an additional clone voice feature where if you can upload a 1-minute file of your voice, the AI will speak more like you. Then there are a few other technical, filters that can be applied to improve the quality. And in the next screen, you can set up the prompt. And before showing the prompt, I'd like to show you the other features that are possible. During the call, there is a multi-call transfer possibility. Depending on which particular product that you are having, or which particular expert that you want to divert the call to, that can be done. An appointment scheduling option is also available where it syncs up with your calendar. And there can also be other end call functions triggered based on the keywords that the customer says. SIP trunking is also possible if you do have an existing phone line. And these are the variables that have been passed on from the CRM. Assuming that a lead comes from a Facebook form or your website, these information is captured and that reflects over here. And this is where the prompt is set up. So I've made a sample prompt for the travel insurance agent. And this can be, of course, tweaked to various other use cases, like maybe policy information, renewal reminders, and so on. So during the call, this particular travel agent, he's going to get information from the customer regarding the trip details, such as trip start date, return date, whether he's traveling with family or solo, and so on. So let me show you how the lead screen looks. So over here, I'm going to be calling the lead from this particular screen. There is also bulk calling options that is available where you can upload thousands of data and do calls instantly to all of them and qualify them for the next step. So I'm just calling the lead.
Hi Vignesh, this is Neela, your AI travel insurance assistant from Chola MS General Insurance. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good, Nila.
Glad to hear that, Vignesh. I'm calling regarding your recent inquiry about travel insurance. Are you looking for international or domestic travel insurance today?
International.
Great choice. Can I ask you a few quick questions to recommend the best plan? It will only take a minute.
Okay.
When are you planning to start your trip?
15th of July.
Thank you, Vignesh. And what is your return date?
I should be back on the 30th of July.
Got it. Which country or countries are you traveling to?
I'll be traveling to England and Scotland.
Thanks for sharing that. Are you traveling solo or with family?
Solo.
Thanks for the details, Vignesh. I will now send you the policy information and payment link to your email. Please check your email ending with vignesh.ram15787@gmail.com and complete the payment to activate your travel insurance.
Okay, I've received the email.
That's great. If you need any assistance while traveling,
Nila,
Neela is always here to
do
help.
you speak in any other language? Can you speak in Tamil?
நான் தமிழில் பேச முடியும். நீங்கள் ஏதேனும் கேள்விகள் இருந்தால் சொல்லுங்கள்.
நான் என்ன டிராவல் டேட் உங்ககிட்ட சொன்னேன்?
நீங்கள் ஜூலை 10ஆம் தேதி உங்கள் பயணம் தொடங்குவீர்கள் என்று கூறினீர்கள் மற்றும் ஜூலை 30ஆம் தேதி திரும்புவீர்கள்.
Okay, Nila. Thank you.
நன்றி விக்னேஷ். உங்கள் பயணம் பாதுகாப்பாக அமைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஏதும் உதவி தேவைப்பட்டால் நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறேன். நல்ல நாள்.
Thank you. Bye. So that was a call that I instantly got, and the quality was very good. We can also track how the call is performed in this particular section, where you can view the call recordings. It's not yet loaded over here. Let me refresh it in a couple of seconds. And you can see the entire conversation that has happened. The transcripts are available. You can also notice that over here, once I switch to Tamil, you're getting the transcripts in Tamil. So for any agents who are more comfortable in speaking a particular language, this will be more useful. And yeah, let me just reload the screen and to see whether the call recording is available. Yep, recording
Hi
is here.
Vignesh, this is Neela, your AI travel insurance assistant from Chola MS General Insurance. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good, Neva. So you can also see the variables that have been captured. So yeah, the summary of the call that assisted Vignesh with travel insurance details for an international trip. Then also the trip start date and return date has been captured, and that I'm traveling solo, and so on. So this data can be passed on to your CRM, and calls can be automated. This is going to definitely boost your customer experience, your first call resolution, your average handling time for any particular use case, and really boost your revenue while keeping costs in check. Thank you guys. See you soon.